All stock parts from the Tronxy 802M, including the bearing wheel. You may have to drill out this piece a little bit to fit the screw in a little bit better. It's the stock Y carriage. It's all stock rods and lead screw. There is the X bump stop. This is a Tronxy Melzy board, just simply epoxied to this long mount here. And if you can see it, the Z bump stop is just screwed. Yeah, right. Can you see it? Yeah, there it is. So it's screwed right there with just a simple wood screw, and that goes right into the plastic of the mount here. And you can turn that up or down with enough tension to raise or lower the Z manually with that piece. The Y bump stop is simply epoxied to this rod clamp. I'm going to have to modify this rod clamp to house this. Maybe build a little extension so that you can screw this to it. I really didn't think about the bump stops when I made this. All the parts are slide clamp. Fits the 832 bolt nut right there. And you really only need one screw. I left holes for two. That'll make it even tighter. But I have found that one is enough. And there you have it. You can slide the pieces back and forward and up and down to calibrate your truing. The motors should be elevated and not touching the ground. So I put little foam golf balls under my printer. You can see that this tube doesn't extend the full width. This tube is shorter than the tube length I posted because I've learned, because this is the very first build. And yeah, I gave the tube an extra centimeter. That looks like about a centimeter in the build notes. That's it. And as you can see, this thing's printing very smoothly, very quietly. You know, and it's doing its job. Alright, there you have it. The iM8 printer frame based on 1-inch extruded aluminum square tube. And this was a Tronxy 802M base for the printer.